Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. On today's episode, we are taking the Can-Am out, and we are trying it out a little bit. If you've watched, I guess, 2 weeks videos now, we took it in some mud, but we didn't really open it up. Today's video is opening. If you're new here or you just didn't know it, this is my Can-Am 840. Don't mind the 500 there, that's just a belt box. So this fool, I bought it, I drove it about 2 times and it blew up. So we just had to rebuild the engine. We have a Mr. RPM 840 kit with big cams. We have a Gen 2 diff, Demon axles. I think they're the regular axles, but anyways, so we just ready to go. We got a snorkel, we got radiator locator, all the bells and whistles. So today we're going to open it up and see how much power we got. I haven't really drove it. I just took a little bit of mud because I kind of bored. And we took that thing super deep. Make sure you check out that video from last week where we took it super deep. But anyways, I just really want to go ahead and open this thing up. I haven't really done anything. We'll probably do some wheelies. I'm not the best at wheelies because I get terrified because... let's just be honest, I had one fall on me when I was younger, and ever since then, I get scared. It's my fault. It's nobody else's fault. I mean, especially something big like this, I can't exactly control it if it starts flying. So we are going to go ahead, and we are going to drive it, and we're going to open it up and see what we can get into with this bad boy. Listen to the old girl pole. Oh! Okay, we got some air time with that one. So we're missing a couple things on this thing. If you ain't noticed, the speed on wheel, it's dead. So we can't really see how fast we're going, but I have not really opened it up yet to see just how much power this thing has. But I'm afraid to death because I took anything apart and something's gonna be broken or it's gonna break. Let's do a roller start. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a lot more than I was expecting. It literally took off like a bullet, and I wish the speedometer was so I could really show y'all. But that was kind of scary, I am not gonna lie. Woo! The power of this unit, man. I am ready to full send it to the mud holes. So y'all ready again? 3, 2, 1. Forward. Oh. Who needs a path when you can just push your own? Back low. Coming through. Beep, beep. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go ahead and service the clutch. I know I said it seemed like it was getting power right then, but I still feel like I'm missing some low-end power, a lot of low-end power that she had when I first got her. I mean, this thing's a monster, don't get me wrong, but I feel like I'm missing power. So we're going to go ahead and pull the clutches off and go ahead and service the one-way band because it's been like this ever since I sunk it that one time, and I probably should have serviced it. So we're going to go ahead and pull everything off and service it. Okay, so the next step is, see if you can guess. Yeah, that's right. Take the belt off. So you got this little bolt here. This little bolt. You can buy tools, but you can go to Napa or any other store and get a bolt. I will put the size right here somewhere because I don't remember what size it actually is. It's a metric, but I don't remember the size. So then you go, one of these has threads. It's that one. And then it's a 14, I think. Give me a second. Yep, it's a 14. Now we're going to take my trusty Ugga Dugga, if I can. I tighten it up. You're gonna Ugga Dugga it straight all the way in. Voila. Well, I might need to go a little more. Come on, get up there. Bad go. There you go. Now you can just roll the belt off. There we go. Voila. The belt is off. And guess what? Now you got it changed. You can actually now go ahead, take the belt. I always start from the primary and then roll it up there. And the arrow should be pointing forward. That's the way I was told. So if I'm wrong, then somebody else told me wrong.
Same side.
Voila, now it's out. And now I gotta hang on one second. It's falling off and I have it jammed so it don't fall.
Just put it on there, loose, and it's regular to take it off. Okay, got the bolt out, you want to take this off. I like to take it off, there's little pieces out on there, so you put it in there. There's little weights in here. See? What it does is when it spins, they go out. Yep, that's pretty spin. You can take that off. And that spring. Voila. Now we go ahead and we're going to clean all of this up. You don't want to take this one weight band out here and go ahead and, ooh, I'm not good grooving now. You're going to want to go take this band out and grease it.
Ah, there you go. You'll go ahead and get all the gunk out and clean it and grease it. I've already done that yesterday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got it on, make sure you have it on right. Again, the one-way bands, because they only spin one way. See? It will not spin the other way. For a Can-Am, they should go clockwise. Clockwise. See? Spins clockwise. Won't go counterclockwise. Just clock how it goes. And then you just go ahead and, yeah. It's a lot easier with if I had another hand. Don't know. Okay. Now you're going to want to make sure you line this groove up. Right there, see right there, see how that's is that like hexagon, I think? Yeah, line it up and push down until it goes into a spot, and then put your bolt in. So give me one second, I'm gonna do it because I need both hands for this. Now you see how the belt looks? It looks loose. So now you're going to take this and spin it and spin it. Keep spinning it till it gets tight. Let's see what she sounds like. Let's see what she looks like with the belt box off. Just in case anybody wanted to see how the belt system works, as you press the throttle, that front primary pushes in and it rides it up, which speeds you up. And she seems to be working good. She still makes this weird clanky noise. I don't know what's wrong with my clutch. Oh, I got sweat. I got sweat, boy. Help me. Anyways, but it's fine. I mean, the worst you can do is break and it. Yeah, the belt box. I mean, I've serviced it. It does what it's supposed to, so it's not, I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to make that noise. I don't know. Maybe somebody could tell me. I've serviced everything. Maybe this clutch is just shot. I mean, the one-way band works and everything else works. So anyways, let me go ahead and put it all back together.
Eventually.
Okay, now that we got everything loaded and I've been riding around a little bit, let's go test it out. See if the clutches really did that much. Let's go through the woods. Whoa! She's definitely got way more power than she did. Way more power. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. How much more powerful is it with the clutches? I know she's has a lot more bottom end. Oh, come on, baby. And one. Oh, wait, no, not one. 3, 2, 1. The power she got just by servicing the clutches. So if you're wondering, like you've been losing power, yes, you should probably go ahead and service your clutch, because it definitely gains it right back. Hello, baby. Oh wow, it's deep today. Okay, let's put my feet up. Ah! What in the? Oh well. What in the world? Do it again. Which ain't a good idea because we still don't have dielectric grease, so we might lose a cylinder. Whoa, snake! Y'all see him? Come on, come on. Y'all see the snake? Hey, buddy. Hello, how you doing? How you doing? Come back, I want to play. Nature. Woo! I always like to go with voice after 4 drive just to be careful, because I have had times where it doesn't go out fully. Hello, little Joe. Really? I ain't careful, I'm gonna break one of these axles right off. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked this video. The Can-Am was cooking now. That clutch walk, oh my gosh, it is like woken it back up. And I can't wait for y'all to see the mud video I took the other day. Yeah, let's just say in between the force part of the video and the clutch walk, after the clutch walk, I took it through some mud. And when I mean mud, I mean thick mud, and she did amazing. Just wait till next week, guys. It is gonna be bad to the bone. So if you guys wouldn't mind, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like the video, and please subscribe, guys. That is what tells me y'all like it. And check out this other Can-Am video and the Can-Am playlist. And I will see y'all on the next one.